I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again.
Hello everyone, I am again in front of you with new watercolor painting of Lord Krishna. As color, I have used camel watercolor cakes and handmade paper with 200 GSM. It has yellow color. This time I have started with a turban and floral decorations and then proceeded towards the face. For face, I have used 3 layers. Started with the lightest layer, then as per the observation, I have doubled or tripled the layers where I am getting the dark or darker shades. As you can see how I am multiplying the layers or adding one by one more layers to get the exact tone. For brush, I have used number 12 so that it can occur more and more water. Hey everyone, if you are new to my channel, then let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Sutapa Ghosh and welcome back to your channel Draw with Sutapa Ghosh. After finishing the face work, slowly I have started with the neck and ornaments. As I always suggested you that never make the total portrait exactly the photocopy of the reference picture. Add something X factor with the painting so that it must look like a painting, not the photocopy or just photograph of the reference picture. This is my opinion or my style. You may not follow it, but I prefer not to fully follow the whole reference picture so that it will look more creative and more attractive. While an artist will see the picture, they should know where is your potential added to the portrait. General viewers or ordinary people may not think that it is a very good photocopy or xerox copy of the reference picture. It's okay, but your soul should know that yeah, you have added something with it so that it is special for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye.